Part 5. The Animal Killers. Few people talk about what happened to the animals of Chernobyl when the evacuation of Pripyat was announced. Families were told they could not bring pets. Dogs barked at the buses. Cats ran after their owners. Livestock stood in barns waiting for food that would never come at first. Thousands of animals roamed the empty streets and fields. But the Soviet military was ordered to hunt them down. It was not cruel. Guilty for its own sake, the fear was that contaminated animals could spread radiation beyond the exclusion zone. Soldiers were given rifles and told to clear houses. They entered homes where dogs wagged their tails. Still waiting for children who would never return, cats curled on beds, expecting their owners. Shots echoed in empty apartments, in basements, in playgrounds. Some soldiers said the animals followed them, trusting them, not realizing what was about to happen. It was one of the most disturbing tasks of the cleanup, killing not enemies, but the loyal companions of families who had been forced to flee. Many soldiers wrote in diaries that the memory haunted them more than any other part of Chernobyl. Even decades later, survivors remember the silence that followed the gunfire. It showed how far the disaster reached, not just destroying human lives, but erasing the bond between people and their animals today. Stray dogs still live in the Chernobyl zone, descendants of the ones left behind. They are cared for by workers and volunteers, and scientists study them to understand how radiation has shaped their bodies. The animals of Chernobyl are a forgotten chapter, a symbol of innocence caught in one of humanity's darkest tragedies. Follow for Part 6.